It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. A wonderful day in the neighborhood. Hello there, boys and girls, and welcome to my neighborhood. Today, we're going to griddle some fish. Can you say halibut, boys and girls? I knew that you could. So, we got some halibut. We thawed out. We got some seasonings. Let's get started. So, we got a griddle going on low. Sorry for the noise, by the way. Sometimes it can't be helped. Can't remember where we got this halibut. Trader Joe's, maybe. Maybe the discount grocery. I've got the griddle on low. And doesn't want to pick up. It was frozen, previously frozen, so we unfroze it in the fridge. And you know what I forgot? Earl. Let's earl these babies. Avocado oil, yeah. And let me move them around a little now that we added oil. Of course, it's not a big deal that I didn't because this is a well-seasoned griddle. Trying to get it, pick up some of that oil that rolled down the back. These are small pieces. I hope they're enough to feed me. So, this is my salt, pepper, garlic, and Mrs. Dash, paprika, it's coarse sea salt, coarse pepper. Good, it smells so good. It's really great on meats a couple hours ahead of time. We also have Cajun seasoning because it's Cajun and it's fish. Give our fish a little bit of Cajun, and fish loves this. It's Valencia orange peel, dehydrated. So this is going to be really tasty fish. The tastiest, I tell you, it'll be huge, huge. Get these a little bit closer, and something I like to do is steam. The fish like to be steamed. In fact, I've noticed there's several meats that like to be steamed. Sometimes I get steamed, but only by stupid people. So I'm not going to make you sit here and stare at a steaming pile of domed fish. So come on back when there's something happening, okay? Okay. And welcome back. Looky there, we're getting some fish that are starting to look like fish. Almost. You can see it's starting to get a little dark now. Dusk is coming sooner and sooner. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to start cooking supper at noon or something. So put a little more of the Valencia orange. Just a little bit more of the Cajun. And let's put a little more Earl in here for some steam. And we have our experts, sounds like. I thought, or I'm imagining things. I'm imagining things. Must have been Baja, the co-hosts. Right, puppy dog? Say hi, Baja. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Let's give it a few more minutes, shall we? Okay, my lovely assistant just happened by and said, "This is perfect." She's pickier than I am about the appearance of the fish. So, this is enough for me. I don't know what she's gonna eat. Anyway, let's freeze rain. Freeze rain. Freeze. Okay, la 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 la. Doesn't that look good? Close up. Man, it looks good, smells good. I'm ready to eat. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Baja, do you have anything to add? No? Okay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!